guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens this week. How I got all of these items for just over $2. And y'all, I didn't even use any digital boosters. We have quite a few boosters this week. I had a spend 50, get 10. I had a spend 25, get 7 on, I think it was like allergy purchase, and then a spend 25, get 7 on cosmetics. I didn't use any of those in this. I did have a paper booster that I got last night for spend 15, get 5 that I did use, so I'll tell you about that. Lots of awesome clearance on the medicine aisle. I'm going to tell you about some deals that you can snag for free if you want to go in store and look at what's on clearance. Of course, I will include pictures of what I saw on clearance at the end of the video. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I feel like I'm rushing a little bit this morning because my son is in a performance later this afternoon, so I have to actually shower and get ready so I can take him to that and be present at that. Now, before I tell you the individual deals, I want to tell you about something I did this week that is giving me more money back at Walgreens. So consider this. I joined AARP. Now, you do not have to be older to join AARP. You just have to be 18 years old or older to reap the majority of the benefits. So I'm going to drop a link down below. You can join AARP for $12 for the entire year. They give you a free gift. I got like a 5-port charging hub, but you can link your AARP membership to your Walgreens account, which I've already done. Super simple to do that. And you get additional benefits from Walgreens for being an AARP member. So I'm going to recoup that $12 just from Walgreens. That's not even using like all the discounts that are available at restaurants and on travel and all of that other good stuff that's a part of that AARP membership. So consider it. It's $12 for the entire year with that link down below, and you easily link your Walgreens account to your AARP membership, and you start accumulating additional Walgreens cash back with each purchase. Hopefully that all made sense. So last night I ran to the store to see what was on clearance, snap some pictures for you guys. I saw this midnight marked 90% off, so it was $1.69. But we have a $3 Walgreens store digital, which is going to automatically adjust down to the cost of the item, and it will apply to every single one you bought. So my store had like 10 of these. I picked up 3. And I paid $0 for these after that digital coupon. Now, another thing that I saw on clearance were the Aleve packs. Now, these were marked on clearance for 95 cents, but they're on sale this week and last week, buy one, get one half off. So one rang up 95 cents, one rang up 47 cents, so I paid $1.42. I thought that was a fantastic deal, but as always, I scan all of my receipts into Fetch Rewards. Apparently, I had $1.50 rebate for purchasing an Aleve product, so I got $1.50 back there as well, making these both completely free and an 8-cent moneymaker. So those are the deals that I did clearance last night. Again, I'll show you additional pictures at the end of the video. Now let's talk about the deals I did this morning. I did the majority of them curbside, but I did pick up a few things in store with that spend 15, get 5 paper booster. So let's walk through the deals individually. This Revlon nail file, it's $2.79. If you do this curbside, there is a $3 Revlon digital coupon attaching, making it completely free. Now, another easier one, the Wet n Wild. Okay, so the Wet n Wild, $2.29. I had a $1.25 digital coupon. I also used the code FAST10. So WAG10 is a code. FAST10 was still working for me, which I was surprised by. So that took off 10 cents, leaving my final cost 94 cents. Now, I did not put together a scenario for the spend 25, get 7 on cosmetics. I know the scenarios are there. I just didn't do it this morning. So maybe later in the week, I'll start to get the wheels turning and put together something for you. But I'm going to show you the cosmetics deals I did. That way you can put it together for yourself if you want to. So I did the Wet n Wild. I also did the Rimmel. So this Rimmel is $4.99, just that like Stay Glossy lip. I used the code FAST10. I got 30 cents off. I had a $2 digital, so I paid $2.69, but there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be just 69 cents for this one. The L'Oreal, also a good deal. These two are buy one, get one half off. So when you purchase two, it's $11.68. I had a $10 off 2 digital coupon, as well as a $2 off 2 store digital. That one adjusts down and it left my cost to 28 cents for both of these, or just 14 cents each. Now remember, if you're doing the spend 25, get 7, you have to be at $25 after all the store digitals and coupon codes come off. So the manufacturer digitals are fine. You can be under 25 after the manufacturer ones come off. You just have to be at least 25 after all those store digitals come off. So hopefully that made sense. Now, the Blink contacts, this deal is there again. This is $7.99, a $3 manufacturer digital, a $4 store digital, leaving you to pay just 99 cents for this. Now, this was a great one. The Allegra Children's is $11.99. I had an $8 Walgreens digital that was just for you. So I paid $3.99, but I had a $4 rebate on Ibotta, which made this completely free. Now, the reason I ended up getting all of this for just $2 is I finally hit that big Ibotta bonus of getting $10 back when I did 40 offers. I finally hit it today. Today is the last day, so I did get a $10 bonus back on Ibotta for hitting all 40 offers. So that was awesome. The Purex is another Ibotta offer. This is $3.79. There is a $1 digital coupon that makes it $2.79. A 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $2.29. Now, the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is buy one, get two free. I don't have it here. I don't care for that laundry detergent as much, but you would buy one at $7.49. You get two more for free. So that makes all three $7.49 or $2.49 for each of those. No coupons needed. This one is an amazing deal. The Cheez-Its are 2 for $6. They're also buy one, get one free. There's also a $1 digital coupon. So 2 for $6, buy one, get one free. That makes it 2 for $3. Minus that $1 digital, 2 for $2 or $1 per box of Cheez-Its. Great deal. We needed peanut butter, and so I picked these up. They're just 2 for $5, nothing fancy, just a sale price. So I picked these up as part of my spend 15, get 5. I'll show you everything I purchased with that here in just a second, but let me tell you about one more. Now, the Crest products are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. This should also give you Walgreens cash if you place it curbside. So you would pick up a Crest 3D White at $3, a Oral-B Vivid at $3, that's $6. There is a $2 digital for each of these. So you would pay $2, get back a $4 register reward, making them completely free, and a $2 moneymaker. That's if you do it in store. If you do it curbside, you should get $4 in Walgreens cash. Now, I say should. I tried it out this morning, but my store did not have the toothbrush, so they only gave me the toothpaste. So obviously, I didn't get the $4 in Walgreens cash because they only had the toothpaste, but I already had this one here at home to show you guys. Let me know if you do this curbside. Is that $4 in Walgreens cash actually triggering and giving it to you? Drop that down in the comments so other people know as well. But if you do it in store, you should get that $4 register reward. Now, Here's how I did the spend 15, get 5. I purchased 4 of the Tide products. They're 4 for $9 this week. Already a decent deal for Tide, but I had 2 different 50-cent digital coupons for the liquid and the pods, dropping my cost to $8 for all 4 or $2 each. So I bought these, I bought the Purex, and I bought the Jif, getting me to $15, and then I got the $5 back from that paper digital. Like I said, I did not use any digital boosters this week, just that one paper booster. Now, if you have an amazing scenario for either the allergy booster or the cosmetics booster, help each other out. Drop those in the comments down below. If I think of something over the next couple of days, I will let you know as well. I think that was everything. Let me just make sure I hit it all. Yes, so here are the ones that I didn't do. I mentioned the Arm & Hammer. There's the Cascade. I always mention the Finish offers because that's what I use, but a lot of people like the Cascade. There is the Cascade detergent at $5.49. There's a $2 digital coupon that makes it $3.49. The Scott toilet paper or paper towels are $5 with a $1.25 store digital. That means $1.25 is going to come off for each one that you purchase in that one transaction, dropping your final cost to $3.75 for each of those. The Bumblebee tuna, not an amazing deal, but if you're looking for an Ibotta offer, they're 3 for $5. And then you're going to get 15 cents back for each of them on Ibotta. So if you buy 3 at $5, you'll get 45 cents back on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be $1.51 each. To me, really 99 cents for tuna or less is kind of the stock up price. But if you're needing Ibotta offers like I did to get to that $10 bonus, that might be one that you consider. I think that's everything. Definitely check out the AARP membership for $12 because, again, you get additional Walgreens cash back for having that membership linked to your account. And it gives you tons of other discounts as well. I had a whole sheet of paper like this big with my membership card that came in that shows me all the different places that I can get discounts, including a bunch of restaurants. Lastly, I mentioned it last week, Walgreens is back on Rakuten. So you can get a percentage back when you're shopping online at Walgreens when you go through Rakuten first. But if you are brand new, you get an amazing first time offer. So if you use my link below and you spend $30 out of pocket before taxes, you're going to get $30 back in your account. So amazing deal for new members. So definitely check that out. Again, I'll drop that link down below in the comments. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Thanks.